Previously on The Life of JT. What is up, JT Squad? It is April 24th, Sunday. Finally, my days off have arrived. The new warehouse that I work has been crazy, and I was promoted. Well, it's not really a promotion that much, but it's a learning ambassador. You just train a lot of new people and stuff and cross-train people. But it's not too bad. I do love the managers there. They're super nice, super awesome, way different from the warehouse I used to work at, so that's not too bad. Not a lot of exciting things happening. I do have to pay rent. Well, I usually pay rent like a week early. You don't have to, obviously, but I like to do it. I've done it. My 2-year lease is ending in a couple months, so I'm kind of scared because all the rent is going up here. Just everything's going up in general. But today we're going to place a couple of sports bets. 2 on Talladega NASCAR. Mom and I did something fun on TikTok. We each put 4 drivers in a hat and we each pick one out. Mom got Kyle Larson and I got Martin Truex Jr. So we're gonna go do that. Use my little cheesy $5 free play. Usually never hit. Last week we won like 51 cents or some crap, so I just put the 51 cents in it. Didn't put any of my own money and just dipped out. But let's go. We're gonna get some groceries today. We're gonna cook some food in the crock pot and place those sports bets.
This the life of JT. He gon' keep it real, what he's thinking.
This is The Life of JT.
And she knows that I gotta be trusted. She's had love, but the lights that I see. She's had love, and she knows that I gotta be trusted. She's had love.
Got done with Rampart. You seen that on the $5 free play? 5 orbs. It looked like it would have been starting amount of like 20-some dollars. So of course that didn't hit. Won like $1.60 on the $5 free play. I just played it down, so didn't hit anything on that. Got our sports bets placed. Now we're gonna head to Winco, grab a few groceries, back to the house, see if we can hit one of these tickets. Just got done with Winco. Mom and I haven't been to Winco in a while, and holy shit, the prices skyrocketed there. I mean, I know gas and food and everything is going up all around the world, but man, some of that stuff is ridiculous. $6 for a 12-pack of Coca-Cola? Like, Jesus. So we did get some chicken on sale, which was the highlight of the whole trip, but it was like almost 60 bucks for 6 or 7 bags of pretty much nothing. So luckily we make a bunch of meals in bulk and we can have leftovers throughout the week, but holy cow, it's like a depressing moment when you have to go to the grocery store. I'm gonna grab a 15 pack of beer over here at Lee's Liquor for $8 and some michelada cups. We're gonna go back home. We're gonna watch some of these games. We do have 4 or 5 tickets, so fingers crossed we can hit something. Destiny, we could not get you the food that you wanted. They keep discontinuing Destiny's food, huh, Mom?
Yeah.
Every time she likes a certain kind, they discontinue it. Then we gotta find another kind because she's real picky. Look at her. You're picky. You're picky. Of course, I picked the Bulls and down by like 15, so you know, go figure. Baseball, I got all my games right on the first ticket except I picked the Cleveland Guardians versus the Yankees to beat the Yankees, and the Yankees are up 2-0. Hopefully the second half is going to be a turnaround, but the Bulls just can't make baskets. Like if you miss a layup every other time, it's like you don't have a chance to win. But Mom did pick Kyle Larson. He was a plus 1,500, so a $10 bet could win her $150, collect $160. I got Martin Truex Jr. Never know, we'll see. We do got some Swiss steak. Mom makes the most bomb Swiss steak ever in the crock pot. Doing some dishes, cleaning around the house. I need to edit a vlog because I'm a little behind on the vlogs, but we're gonna get one edited and released. Is insane. Mom got Kyle Larson. He's in 2nd place, 21 laps to go. I got Truex Jr. He's in 8th place with 21 laps to go. This is insane, this race. See what happens. I do got to get some editing done. I got to clean my room a little bit. I got to vacuum the floor. I got a few things to do. The Swiss steak is looking bomb. So here in about an hour, I'll probably start cooking the rice. Ooh, can't wait for that, man. Insane. What do you think, Mom? This food is so good. Swiss steak, peppers, onions, and I think it's tomato sauce, tomato paste, and some seasonings Mom adds, but it's insanely good in the crock pot. One of our favorite dishes. That's gonna be the end of the vlog. Kind of a boring one. We just hung out at the house, ate some good food, and watched some TV. I edited a new vlog, and that was it. But thank you guys for watching. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all my brand new subscribers. We passed 4,100 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. One of my big goals moving to Las Vegas was to hit 5,000 subscribers. So make sure you are sharing the videos. You like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you can. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week for the new vlog. Next time on The Life of JT. Mom, what do you think of the bread prices?
Holy shit.
For Sara Lee, $4.29.
$4.29 for a loaf of bread.